When the world had just begun, there lived a boy named Kiddington.
Boom!
He really stood out in a crowd. He yelled real loud, the Kiddington.
ScienceCon attendees, step right up to see the most incredible, most outrageous, most out-of-this-world way to log and process your data.
Let us begin with the culture of yesterday. The culture, acre, a time of European suits and snappy rock music. A time when men's clothes were more colorful, more baroque, more everything.
Would you mind running that by us again in English?
That's fly. Well, to understand today's styles, one must understand the origins. A time when men's clothes were more colorful, more baroque, more everything.
The war is raging, we're up in arms. We Yanks are fighting to save our farms. The bells ring out, we hear alarms. The time is now, rise up in arms.
The year 1776. The place, the American colonies.
All of England is on the lookout for Burlington Bertie. If you have any information leading to the whereabouts of Bertie, please notify authorities immediately. Now we return you to our previously scheduled program.
To include four-wheeled vehicles, as well as four-legged horses. The last recorded cavalry charge came in 1942 on the island of Luzon in the Philippines.
The 70s also had a look that was bigger than outer space, and they named it, time to say, don't mess with me, I'm a hot rocker.
I'm Professor Utonium.
The war is raging, we're up in arms. We Yanks are fighting to save our farms. The bells ring out, we hear alarms. The time is now, rise up in arms.
We interrupt this broadcast for an important message.
Lydia Karaoke, Network Censor here. The network cannot approve such crude language. Instead, we suggest saying, war is like that bad place downstairs, or war is H-E double hockey sticks, or better yet, war is a really big no-no. Thank you.
It's Loud Kiddington and his dog Fetch. Bow wow.
If you want religious freedom round the clock,
hop a ship today that's bound for Plymouth Rock.
If you want to buy a wheel,
oh, make it such a deal.
Go see Loud, go see Loud, go see Loud.
Hey, folks, Loud Kiddington here. June 1776. The Revolutionary War is in full swing. And just when you thought your Stone Age life couldn't get any better, along comes Take a Test Ride on the all-new Lupusana.
This forest glen is the natural habitat of the foxes, squirrels, and bunnies. These animals live here.
We'll discuss it later. It's the sensation that's sweeping the Sumerian nation. So come on down to Sumeria and buy a wheel.
Talk too loud, talk too loud, talk too loud.
Well, Pivot, I made it. This was your directions.
Ah, soldier! I hope you are prepared for anger. Forget the whole lesson.
Yeah.
Soldier! I hope you are ready for mouth-watering sandwich.
I thought we were having a steam ham.
Oh, no. I can't steam ham. That's what I call sandwich.
You call me sandwich steam ham.
Yes!
But wait! There's more! You too can enjoy vacation living at its finest in the Roman Empire's favorite resort. Take a test ride on the all-new Lupusana!
Whoa. Check out all the pennies. A cat wearing pantyhose needs to visit the kitty psychiatrist. Twisted.
Ah!
You can't say that. That word is a no-no.
Da!
Hello, I'm Lydia Karaoke, Network Censor. Sorry, but we're having a little problem with your choice of word.
But I want poor choice. But no, and this guy, he does my king. Oh, that slaps me on the knee.
Why is that smoke coming out of your Pivot?
That is small.
It's Seaside Living Paradise with plenty of sunshine and fresh air. He rides his horse for an hour every day.
What a guy.
I got it! So get on the bandwagon and come on down before it's
If you need a getaway, talk too loud.
Better hurry here today and beat the crowd.
To a deal you can't say no.
Forget that volcano.
Talk too loud, talk too loud, talk too loud.
I think it is time to go! Soldier!
I guess. Let's pick out that rusty burger.
No! Heavy baggers! Old Russian recipe!
At this time of year, at this time of day, in this part of the country, lock all eyes entirely in your kitchen. Well, Pibby, you are a good fellow, but I must say, you steam the good ham.
Well, I guess this only proves that in the world of popular culture, what's old is new.
And so, in the summer of 1776, America finally has a flag to call its own, thanks to Bitsy Ross!
But oi!
Congratulations, my friend. You're in perfect style.
The sacrifices I've made for this country.